Hi, myself Vajin Jair, and now currently I am studying in IELTS, CFC Cambridge language concert, and now we're gonna discuss about idioms that we use in our IELTS writing task one, writing task two, and speaking task. So the first idiom is that bite the bullet. The meaning of bite the bullet is to endure a painful or difficult activity with courage and determination. We need the sentence on this idiom is when I moved to a different country, I had to bite the bullet to adapt the different language and the different culture and traditions. So in this way, we use idioms in our speaking. And the another idiom is hit the ground running. And the meaning of hit the ground running is to start the activity without wasting time. We make the sentence on this idiom is after intermediate, I hit the ground running by applying for admission in different countries, in different universities. And so we use this idiom to making some point. When we use these idioms in our taking, we will attain, I think, 6 bands. When I totally depend on your speaking code. That's it.